The price of LPG has been hiked yet again, and the non-subsidized 14.2 kg now to cost over 1,000 rupees. The price hike in Delhi is up by more than 3 rupees per cylinder, and of course the price of a 19 kg cylinder that has increased by almost 8 rupees in the national capital. To get more on this, we have Himanshu joining us. Himanshu, in the last 1 year, we've seen the LPG prices go up. This, I believe, is the 7th time that the prices have gone up.
That's right. On June 1st, 2021, the price of a 14.2 kg non-subsidized LPG cylinder was 809 rupees per cylinder, which today has risen to 1,003 in Delhi and 1,029 in Kolkata, which has reported the highest price of a non-subsidized 14.2 kg LPG cylinder because of the high tax in West Bengal. And clearly this has been the trend across the country, and this is happening at a time when the inflation, of course, is at a very high level. Remember, the volatility in the international oil and gas market continues, and because of the Russia-Ukraine war and because of the lockdown in parts of China, and that essentially is getting reflected now in the domestic prices here as well. But psychologically, 1,000 rupees is a barrier which has now been crossed, especially in the context of 14.2 kg LPG cylinder, which is mostly used in India's home, in the middle class or lower middle class homes. And clearly, if the prices go up by 1,000, clearly you can very clearly estimate the impact this is having on the kitchen budget of a lower middle class family in India, which will be the worst hit because of this price rise. And I was looking at the Indian oil data. It clearly shows that the increase in last 11 months is 194 rupees per cylinder. So if a family uses 2 cylinders in a month, clearly around 390 rupees, 400 rupees is the hit that an average lower middle class family has had to take in last 11 months. And remember, this has also been the time when the inflation is at an unprecedented level, and the essential commodity prices across the spectrum has gone up. Edible oil prices are up, wheat prices are up, oil, petrol and diesel prices have already been increased by 10 rupees since March 22. So clearly the impact, the volatility in the international oil and gas market is now getting increasingly reflected in the petroleum product prices in India, and this of course is happening disturbingly at a time when inflation is up. And remember, the RBI has intervened, but despite RBI's intervention, not much impact seems to be visible as of now. And as these prices go up, this of course will add to the inflation pressures that an average lower middle class or a middle class family is facing in the country today.